Welcome or welcome back at I Need Help at C-Square. In this example, we will solve what is called a compound inequality. If you notice, we have two inequality here. We have this one and a second one, this one. But I'm not going to solve them separately, even though we can do that. I'm going to solve them all one time, and I'm going to show you what that means. So let me copy this. So we have -1 less or equals 3 minus 5x over 2 less or equals 9. The first step I'm going to do, I'm going to want to get rid of this fraction or these two, so I'm going to multiply by 2. And if you multiply by 2 here in the middle, you have to do the same thing on the left of the inequality and on the right. So all parts needs to be multiplied by 2 in order to keep this inequality. And these two cancel out. Remember, that was the reason. Let's see what we get on the left side. 2 times -1, -2, less or equals 3 minus 5x. And here less or equals 9 times 2, 18. My next step will be to subtract 3 on all sides, because I want to get rid of these 3. And I have -2 minus 3, that is -5, less or equals -5x, because the -3 is gone, less or equals 18 minus 3, 15. And the last step to solve for x here is to divide by -5, so I can cancel out this -5. Again, do the same division on all sides to keep the inequality. And now let's see what we get. Here on the left side we have -5 divided by -5, that is +1. Let's wait a little bit to discuss about inequality sign. Then we have x here, that's the reason we divide by -5. And here you have 15 divided by -5, that is -3. And now that is very important to remember. We divide by a negative number, -5 everywhere, right? So that means you have to switch the sign. Whenever you divide by a negative number or you multiply by a negative number, switch the inequality. And one more thing here, we would like to see from the lowest value to the largest value, and the lowest value is -3 here. So we're going to switch -3, and you notice how the inequality sign looks like. You see, we have to follow the same inequality sign. Less or equal x, less or equals 1. And this is a good way to write a solution set. Now, because we have this format, I think we can go very fast to interval notation, -3, comma, 1, and the two brackets because you have the equal. Similar the graphical approach, I'm gonna put -3 here, 1 here, the two brackets, and I'm gonna shade it between. This is the solution way in a graphical format. So interval notation, a graphical format, and also I want you to see a technological approach. I'm going to use TI-83 here, and you notice on Y1 I put the left side of the inequality, on Y2 the middle side of the inequality, and on Y3 the right side. So I have to use 3 Y's to get the graph of each part of the inequality. So let's see what we get now when we click graph. This is Y1, Y equals -1. This line here is Y2. The expression 3 minus 5x divided by 2, and this is Y3. The solution set of this inequality based on what it says here is this segment. I'm starting from here and I'm going to end up here between -1 and 9, or the other way, between -1 and 9. And you notice here on the x-axis, if I go down, this is -3, and here if we go up, we have +1, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video clip, don't forget to click the like button and come back on C-Square for more help. Thank you.